Okay, so the cake is ready. Oh, mga ate tayo. Yan, tama. Okay, so, sige, right. Okay, adjust mo natin onte.
Let's do like this na lang.
Okay, so ayan, the candle is ready. May nagpa-blow, no? May online. Okay, so the candle is ready. The candle is ready. The cake is ready. The gas is ready. Everybody, sabay-sabay tayo mag-sing the happy birthday song for our one and only cutie boy, Lucas. Sing!
Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody,
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
louder!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sing!
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody, candles, sabay po as family. 3, 2, 1. Yan, malapakan natin once again our celebrant Lucas and everybody, sabay-sabay tayo mag-shout happy birthday Lucas in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, so since hindi pa nga nag-i-speak si Bibi, gusto ko muna sanang marinig yung wish ni Mami and Daddy for our celebrant. Si Daddy. Daddy, start natin sa'yo. Ano ang wish mo para sa ating cutie celebrant, Lucas?
Wish ko sana gawin ko mabait.
Mami, Mami.
Happy birthday, Lucas. Sana lumaki ka mabait and marespeto sa lahat ng tao.
Lola, Lola, Lola! Wish natin kay Lucas!
Sinayan mo ako!
Wish tayo. Ayan. Wish tayo.
Ano ko muna?
Oh, marami akong wishes kay baby. Baby Lucas, I love you, baby. Happy birthday. And hoping and wishing na and praying na mabait ng mga bata. Tapos, wala din ako makapagsalita. Pero I love you, baby. I love you, boss, mama, and daddy. And salamat sa lahat pala na nandito. Yun lang po. Tapos na daw, sabi ni Ella.
Walang pangalapin!